Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that combines creativity and cutting-edge technology making money on YouTube with AI. I'm TD, and in this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of leveraging artificial intelligence to boost your YouTube earnings. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Number 1. The power of AI in YouTube content creation. Before we get into the specifics, let's talk about why AI is a game changer for content creators on YouTube. AI tools can help automate various aspects of content creation, from video editing and thumbnail generation to audience analysis and even video topic suggestions. By harnessing the power of AI, you can streamline your workflow, increase video quality, and ultimately attract more viewers to your channel. Number 2. Selecting AI tools for YouTube. Alright, now that you're intrigued, let's move on to selecting the right AI tools for your YouTube journey. There are numerous AI-powered platforms out there that can assist you in different ways. Some popular ones include AI video editors like InVideo, AI-driven SEO optimization tools like vidIQ, and even AI-powered voiceover generators like Lovo. Choose tools that align with your content style and goals. Number 3. Enhancing video production with AI. Now comes the fun part: enhancing your video production using AI. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, AI can help you create captivating content. We'll explore how to use AI for automated video editing, personalized content recommendations based on viewer preferences, and generating eye-catching thumbnails that increase click-through rates. 4. Leveraging AI for audience insights. To truly maximize your YouTube earnings, you need to understand your audience. AI can provide you with invaluable insights into viewer behavior, demographics, and preferences. We'll show you how to analyze this data and tailor your content to meet your audience's expectations, ultimately boosting engagement and subscription rates. Number 5. Monetization strategies with AI. Of course, the end goal is to make money on YouTube, right? Well, I can help with that too. From identifying trending topics using AI-driven keyword research to optimizing ad placements within your videos, we'll explore how to monetize your content effectively using AI-generated strategies. Number 6. Balancing automation and authenticity. Now, as much as AI can elevate your YouTube game, remember that authenticity is key. While AI can automate many tasks, your personal touch and unique creativity should still shine through in your content. We'll discuss how to strike the right balance between AI automation and your genuine creator's voice. And there you have it. Fit roadmap to making money on YouTube with AI. As technology continues to evolve, integrating AI into your content creation process can give you a competitive edge and open up new avenues of passive income. Experiment with different tools, stay true to your brand, and watch your YouTube channel flourish. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and hit that notification bell.